Hello kids, welcome to math class. In my last video, we learned single digit addition na? And addition means to put things together. Yes, now today we are going to learn about subtraction. And subtraction means to take away. And addition means to put things together. Let's begin kids.
Subtraction means to take away. Okay kids, and this is the sign of subtraction. ये minus का sign है. Let's start.
So kids, let's start. Look kids, I have some candies here. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 candies.
Now I ate 3 candies. So take away 3. How many candies are left here? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 candies. So 6 minus 3 is equals 3 candies.
I have pen holder. So count with me. How many pens are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pens are here. I gave 2 pens to my friends. मैंने 2 pens अपने friends को दे दिए. So 2 take away. How many pens are left here? 1, 2 pens. Yes kids, I have 2 pens left in my pen holder. It's time to eat ice creams. Now I have some ice creams. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 ice creams. I have 4 ice creams. This sign stands for subtraction.
I ate 1 ice cream. I ate 1 ice cream.
Now kids, tell me how many ice creams are left here. अब मेरे पास कितनी आइसक्रीम्स बची हैं? Let us count. 1, 2, 3 ice creams. 3 ice creams are left here. Now look, same sum. Okay kid? I have 4 ice creams. Now
I ate 1 ice cream. I ate 1 ice cream.
how many ice creams are left? 1, 2, 3. Yes kids, 3 ice creams are left. So kids, if we write, either we write this way or that way. If digit is same, we will get the same answer. Okay kids, I have few balls on. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls. 5 balls. And this sign is stand for subtraction. Minus का sign है ये. I give 2 balls to my friend. मैंने 2 balls अपने friend को दे दी. 2 balls. Now tell me kids, how many balls are left here? अब यहाँ कितनी balls रह गई और मेरे पास कितनी balls बची? 1, 2, 3. Yes kids, 3 balls. Well done kids. I hope kids you understand concept of subtraction. So tomorrow we will learn new activity and कल हम कुछ और सम्स भी करेंगे. Bye kids, see you tomorrow.